मैंने बहुत लोगों से सुना है कि अगर आप 1 महीने प्रैक्टिस करो तो आप फर्राटेदार इंग्लिश बोल सकते हो। I've heard from many people that if you practice just 1 month, you can speak English language very fluently. But here, I have already spent 1 month, 3 months, and even 6 months. But still, I cannot see a lot of improvement. I cannot speak this language fluently and effortlessly. What should I do? What's wrong with me? Am I a slow learner? Or why this thing is happening with me only, that I'm unable to speak this language fluently after spending 6 months also? What is happening with me? What should I do? Hello and welcome to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning English language great way. In today's video, I'm going to share with you people a lot of things regarding English language, that how you can improve this language. So if you want to hear and learn, then watch this video till the end. First thing, if you talk about 1 month improvement, so it is myth. No one can improve English language and no one can speak English language fluently in 1 month. If someone is saying, I cannot believe. Why? Because it cannot happen. If anyone says that I have improved English language just in 1 month, you should not believe, because it can never ever happen. And especially with us, if we are from village or if we don't have English speaking environment, if we have never ever tried to speak English language, and then we are going to practice this language and we are trying to improve just in 1 month, my friend, if anyone is saying, anyone, don't believe. When I had not started learning English language, actually I did not used to go city side many time, but once I went, so I had desire to learn English language, but it was not easy for me to go in city. Okay, I used to stay in my village. I completed my schooling in my village, I mean from one another village. So I got very less chance to go in city or to visit the city. Okay, so once I went, I saw there were many boards that learn English language or start speaking English language just in 1 month. Then I had no idea about English language. Then I believed. I was thinking, yeah, I think it's possible. And I got one urge and I was just wishing to go there and join, but I couldn't do it because uh, I live in village. I couldn't go in city for learning English language. Okay, so that is why I had to call off that idea. But there was one urge in me, one desire in me, that you should start speaking English language or you should also speak English language. I had dream, I would say. So after that, I decided to learn English language later on, and I started speaking. I thought, okay, let me try. I tried for 1 month, I tried for 3 months, and even I tried for 6 months. But yeah, I can say that when I spent 1 month, little bit I found my English was improving, and why not? It should be, right? How can you remain on the same level if you are trying your level best? If you are working hard, you cannot remain at the same level, right? So there would be improvement, but not a lot. If you are a beginner, if you are starting from the scratch, अगर आप जीरो से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, तो अगर आप 1 मंथ स्पेंड कर रहे हैं इस लैंग्वेज के लिए, तो उसमें आप ज़्यादा इम्प्रूवमेंट नहीं देख पाएंगे अगर आप एक ट्रूली बिगिनर हैं, ठीक है? बट अगर आपका बेसिक क्लियर है, आई मीन यू नो ग्रामर, यू नो अ लॉट ऑफ वोकैबुलरी, and you had got the environment also, you are from English medium, you know, like that, so you may start speaking little bit. But coming to us, if we are from village area and we have never ever got the environment, English speaking environment, so my friends, frankly speaking, we can never ever speak this language just in 1 month, and let alone, you know, 1 month, we cannot even speak in 3 months also, because we can start speaking, but we cannot speak fluently. I'm talking about fluently. Speaking is one thing, but speaking fluently is another thing. Okay, anyone can start speaking. If you can speak one sentence, that is also called speaking, you know, that is also called speaking. So if you can speak few sentences, if you can speak in broken English, it is called also speaking. So initially you don't have to think about whether you are speaking in broken English or not, just you have to start speaking. I mean, one of the best ways to speak this language, if you have never ever spoken with anyone, just read one book out loudly and record. You know, when we were in school, we didn't have the guts to read out loudly, right, in front of our classmates. Why? Because we had the fear of making mistakes and all. So that fear is in our mind. We just have to work on that, and how? Little by little. Okay? So start reading out loudly and try to remember few sentences, learn grammar, and then speak it out. Okay? Speak and record yourself, and then start talking to other people. And don't worry, if you are not able to see a lot of improvement, don't worry, because I was also not able to see any kind of improvement when I had spent 6 months. Little bit improvement, but not a lot. I was also worried a lot that why my English is not improving. I have already given 6 months, yes, but I was able to speak little bit. I used to consider myself, okay, now I can speak English language, but I have spent a lot of time still. Now I can say that I'm not a fluent English speaker. I need to work on my English a lot. So in your case also, just work hard and don't expect a quick result. Okay, because it can never happen. Those who are telling this that they have improved their English language just in 1 month, you should not believe on them, because it can never ever happen with us. It takes a lot of time. Let me give you one example. You may have been watching my videos for a long time, right? So if you watch my first video, I wasn't able to explain the things also good way. And I've been making videos for more than 2 years. Now I can explain things little good way, but I cannot say that I'm a fluent English speaker. Even I have spent more than 2 years in recording video. Before that also I had started my journey. Okay, so I have already given a lot of time. In your case also, don't get impatient, just practice, just try from your side. Okay, what happened, it is obvious that when we give our time anywhere, so we expect something, right? So it's okay sometime to check whether you are improving or not, but don't worry, don't stop for this reason that your English is not improving. And when we don't have environment, it really takes a lot of time to improve our English. Okay, so don't worry, just keep practicing and let the people say that I have improved my English just in 1 month, just in 3 months, just in 6 months. Let them say. You just try and see whether you can do it or not, and have your own experience. Okay, because different people, they say different things. In your case, if you want to have your own experience, then try from your side. Okay, and then you will see whether you can improve English language just in 1 month, or just in 3 months, or just in 6 months. You need to have your own experience. Okay, but it's okay if you are keeping one milestone, that okay, I will give 1 month and then check how is my fluency. I will give 3 months and then I'll check how is my fluency. It's good, you will improve your English, I think, good way. But if you are worried that my English is not improving, I have already given 1 month, that is not good way of thinking, because no one can speak this language fluently just in 1 month. You can speak English language just in 1 month. You can speak English language just in 3 months. But when it comes to fluency, it takes time. We just have to understand the difference between speaking English language and speaking English language fluently. Okay? So both are different. Anyone can speak English language, but for speaking English language fluently, we need to practice a lot. So this is what I hope my video is little bit helpful for you people. If it is, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.